Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the GrubHub application. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the GrubHub application on your device. And once the application is opened up, you will see the search nearby and the sign in button as well. Now, in order to change your password, you can do this without signing in by simply tapping on the sign in button. So go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be asked to enter your email address followed by your password. Now, in order to change your password, you can simply use the Forgot Password feature by tapping on Need a New Password. Then you will be asked to enter the email address that is connected to your account. So type in the email address that you used while signing up and creating your account in the first place for the GrubHub application, and then tap on the Submit button. Once you tap on Submit, you will receive an email within the email address that you just provided, and inside you will find a verification link or a code that you can use in order to set up your new password. After using this code or link, you will be allowed to enter your new password, so go ahead and type it in and continue forth. Once you do this, your password will now successfully be changed. And now, every time you use the GrubHub application, you can use your new password to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the GrubHub application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.